Here's literally the best method on how you can hide Amazon Prime X-ray on your screen. So if you're watching Amazon Prime and a X-ray pop-ups, if you don't know what X-ray is, it's basically that thing that shows all the actors' name and the pictures, and it could be pretty annoying sometimes. So I'm gonna show you how you can get rid of it. First up, this is all the methods that you can do. First, just simply open up Amazon Prime and launch the Prime app on your device. So this method works on smart TVs as streaming sticks like Fire TV, Roku tablets, or mobile devices. And after that, you just simply need to start playing the content. And after that, pick the movie or episode that you want to play. That's the basic steps. But access on control screen. Once the video is playing, tap on the screen. You have to tap on the screen and then use your remote to select bring up play up controls overlay. Once you do this, you just need to locate the XR icon. Once you do that, after that, you have to find the X-ray indicator. Typically, it's represented as a X-ray label, so you will know about it, and it's accessible via a small or icon depending on your device or app version. So yeah, and you'll be able to see disable X-ray option. Just tap on, click on that indicator, and toggle it off. You should be able to see confirmation that X-ray is disabled, and the overlay will be disappeared. And now you can just continue watching interrupted. And yeah, I think this is pretty much it. And yeah, I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.